Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are very fine and doing well at your home. So this is your computer science lesson. As you can see laptop screen on your screen. So this is your lesson of computer science, and today we are going to learn previous lesson, that is your paint tools, and then we will draw a beautiful scene in paint program. So simply what you have to do now, you just have to watch this video very carefully. आपने इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से देखना है. You have to understand what is the use of different tools of paint program and how we can use in paint. So let's start the lesson. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the use of paint program? Hania, can you tell me? Yes, right. Paint program is basically used if you want to do drawing, if you want to do coloring, if you want to draw some beautiful scenes, beautiful pictures, then you can use paint program. And this program by default present in each and every computer. So what is the step? So first of all, Hania, can you tell me? Yes, you have to click on the start button. Next is all program, and now the third step is right. You have to expand the accessories folder. Okay, so now when I will click on this, so as you can see, can you find paint program? Right, this one is paint. So I will just simply click with my mouse, and as you can see, this is the window of paint program. Is it clear? Okay, so now what we will do, we have to draw a beautiful scene. हम एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत scene draw करेंगे. Okay, and now the scene is about, I will draw a beautiful moon night with some clouds and with some grass, and I will also draw some stars on the sky. So this is basically night scene, and now you have to watch this video very carefully, and at the end you have to decide which scene you will draw in your paint program, and then you have to share me the picture of your scene in Google Classroom. You can also send in WhatsApp group. ओके, सो इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रा अ नाइट सीन, दैट इज़ अगर मैं चाँद और रात का जो मेरे पास स्काई है, अगर मैं उसको ड्रा करूँगी, सो विच कलर ऑफ स्काई आई शुड चूज़? इज़ इट ब्लैक और इज़ इट वाइट? अहमद, कैन यू टेल मी? Right, I will choose black color. So before starting the lesson, let's revise the previous topic, that is your tools. What is the use of paint tools? Okay, so Ahmed, can you tell me which tool I use if I want to fill the picture with color? Right, I will use fill with color. So I just simply select fill with color tool, and I choose a black color, and I will just fill in my drawing. So in this way you can just simply change the color of your drawing if you want to change it, or if you add some other color. Okay, now if I want to draw a moon, so definitely I need a shape. मुझे एक शेप चाहिए. सो मून के लिए, मून ड्रा करने के लिए हम कौन सी शेप यूज़ कर सकते हैं? सर्कल, रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल, विच वन? राइट, वी हैव टू चूज़ द शेप ऑफ सर्कल. So I will select this shape with my mouse, and I will simply choose the color. Moon किस कलर में है? ब्लैक और वाइट? ऑफ कोर्स वाइट. सो यहाँ पर मैं एक सर्कल ड्रा करूँगी, and then after drawing a circle I will just fill a color. Which color I will fill in this, inside this box, inside this circle? Right, white color. So I will choose fill with color tool. I will select a color of white, and I will fill in this picture. Right, so now my next step is, if I want to draw some clouds or a house, then which tool I should use if I want to draw a house? Right, I have to use pencil tool. I can use these shapes where we have rectangle, triangle, oval. We have a lot of shapes, so we can choose all of them. So first of all, let me cut this into a part. I will just choose this line, and I will cut in two parts. I will choose pencil and I will just simply राइट ओके। और इसके बाद अब जो मेरे पास ये 2 पार्ट्स हैं, मैं सिंपली इसमें एक में ब्लैक कलर कर दूंगी, ठीक है। सो अब ये आपको नज़र आ रहा है एक तरह से मेरे पास हाफ मून है, ठीक है। और इसके अलावा अब मैं यहाँ पर आई विल ड्रा अ हाउस, you can use multiple shapes and multiple colors if you want to drawing. Now it depends on you which kind of color or shape you will choose. Okay, so these you can say as they are the forest, और जिसे आप कह सकते हैं कि plants or greenery, whatever you want to say. And then I will draw a house. So which shape I should choose if I want to draw a house? Hania, can you tell me? Yes, right, I have to choose a shape, that is I can choose rounded rectangle. So I will draw a rectangle here, right. And then if I want to draw a house, I can choose triangle. If you want to choose circle or any other shape, you can take that shape, and I will just simply draw it. Okay, so if you want to make inside some windows in your house, then you can also make it. So मैंने अपनी इमेज को जूम इन किया है, एज यू कैन सी दिस इज़ द पोर्शन वेयर वी कैन, इफ आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस प्लस ऑप्शन, सो मैं अपनी इमेज को जूम कर सकती हूँ। एंड इफ़ आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस माइनस ऑप्शन, सो आई विल जूम आउट माई इमेज, मैं अपनी इमेज का जो साइज़ है वो कम कर सकती हूँ। सो इट वर्क सेम एज अ मैग्नीफायर। जैसे मैग्नीफायर का काम क्या होता है कि वो किसी भी इमेज को बड़ा या छोटा करके दिखाता है। सिमिलरली जूम इन एंड जूम आउट विल ऑल्सो वर्क, इट विल मेक योर इमेज लुक बिगर और smaller. Then now if you want to draw some window, then you can draw here. You can select your size of your line. Okay, is it clear? And then I will make a small door here. Okay, now I will just, as you can see, it looks like a black scenery. Okay, so now if you want to fill some stars or some galaxy type dots, then what you can do, you can simply just choose your brush. Okay, so now if you want to draw some stars inside this drawing, so which tool you will use? Right, you will use this brush tool. As you can see, we have a lot of options here. We have brush tool, we have calligraphy brush tool. If you have different tones in these kind of brush, like कुछ की जो आपके पास width है ब्रश की वो डार्क होगी, कुछ की लाइट होगी, ठीक है। सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट योर ब्रश अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन डिज़ायर। सो जो भी आपने ब्रश चूज़ करना है, आप अपने मुताबिक उसे ईजीली चूज़ कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी चूज़ दिस वन, दिस इज़ योर एयर ब्रश। आई विल चूज़ दिस वन एंड आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस वाइट कलर एंड I will click make a dot, it looks like a stars, so I will make dots. If you want to make the size look bigger, then you can also make here. So in this way you can select the tone of your brush, कि आपने अपने ब्रश की जो रेंज है वो किस तरह से चूज़ करनी है। So you can add a lot of stars in your drawing. Okay, so now if you want to fill color in your drawing, so which tool we should use if we want to fill color in this house? Hafsa, can you tell me? Yes, right, we can use fill with color tool if we want to fill the picture with color. अगर आपने अपनी किसी भी शेप में, किसी भी पिक्चर में ड्राइंग करनी है, कलर करने हैं, सो यू कैन यूज फिल विथ कलर टूल. So in this way you can add multiple dots or it will look like stars. Okay, so now let's fill the color inside this picture. So I will choose which tool I should choose. Hafsa, can you tell me? Yes, right, I will choose here fill with color tool. Right, so you can choose or select any color, like if I will choose this gray color. Okay, this is the light gray, I will fill inside this shape. Okay, so similarly if you want to fill your color inside your windows, then you can also fill. If you want to change the color, then you can change it. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can change it and you can choose some other color. So in this way we can complete the drawing. It's very easy, you just have to follow the step. Now what you have to do, you just have to select your own drawing. आपने अपना खुद से सीनरी चूज़ करनी है, आपने कौन सा सीन डिज़ाइन करना है. So this is basically your night moon scenery. So you have to select your own. आप ग्रास से रिलेटेड या डे से रिलेटेड कोई भी सीन इजीली ड्रा कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू द कलर इन दैट सीन. और इसके अलावा यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज़ डिफरेंट टूल्स. आपको जितने भी टूल्स हैं उसमें उसको यूज़ करना है और इजीली उसमें अपने टूल्स को यूज़ करके, डिफरेंट शेप्स को यूज़ करके अपनी ड्राइंग को कंप्लीट करना है. So now you can also add any kind of bird, like I'm going to add a bird here. So as you can see, I will choose a shape of oval. Sorry, I will choose a curve shape. So I will just now try to adjust these lines so that my bird will look like better. So you can use your shapes, different shapes. You can draw any bird, and now I will just make it adjust so that it looks better. So here we have multiple shapes, line, oval, curve tool. Curve tool is also very important, you can use it, and right now I'm using curve tool from the group of shapes. You can select any curve and now you can draw it. So as you can see, now I have choose a curve tool and I am going to draw a bird. आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से जो भी बर्ड ड्रा करना है उसको इजीली ड्रा कर सकते हैं और उसमें कोई भी कलर फिल कर सकते हैं. If you don't want to draw a bird, if it is difficult for you, then you can simply skip this step and complete your drawing. So now I have drawn a circle. Now I will choose shapes, that is your line tool. Now I will just adjust this shape by using line or oval tool and curve tool. So I'm just going to make the top of this bird, and after that you can fill color inside this shape. So in this way you can complete your drawing, and at the end if you want to add some stars, some more stars, then simply like if there is any
choose
kind
your
of
brush.
mistake, then you can use eraser tool and then you can change your
And in this way just
drawing.
select your
Is it clear?
right color, which one is right.
So in this way you can change your drawing
दिस इज
and complete
बेसिकली योर लाइन
coloring.
टूल. लाइन टूल की मदद से आप क्या कर
here
सकते हैं
you
कि
can see
आप अपनी
we have
ड्राइंग में
multiple
अपनी लाइन का जो भी
lines
चीज़ आप
tool.
ड्रा कर रहे
So
हैं,
this tool
जितनी
is
भी लाइन
basically
है
used अगर आपने कोई भी
उसकी जो
tool,
विड्थ है
line
उसको
tool use
सिलेक्ट
करना
कर
है, तो
सकते
ये
हैं.
आप
दिस
उसकी
वन इज
width
योर
choose कर सकते हो.
डार्कर मोड.
उसकी width का size
डार्कर
आपने
मोड
ज़्यादा
है
रखना है या
जिसमें
कम
आपके
रखना है,
पास
तो
आपको
उस हिसाब
विड्थ है
से
वो
आप
ज़्यादा
अपनी
मिलेगी
drawing
आपकी लाइन
में
की.
अपनी
और
line tool
एंड दिस
को
वन
या
इज
किसी भी
लोअर
shape
वन.
के
ठीक है,
किसी भी
जैसे
shape
आप
को
आपकी तरफ
easily
मूव
use
करेंगे
कर
तो
सकते हैं.
उसकी जो विड्थ होगी वो कम हो जाएगी.
So we have studied a lot of tools in paint program.
And in this
And
way
at the
you
end,
can
if you want
add
to draw
multiple
some more stars or some
dots
more
and
dots,
you
then
have
you
to
can
complete
use
your
brush
drawing.
tool. As I'm using brush tool, you can choose the width of your brush and you can also change the color
Is
of
it
your
clear?
brush if you want to change
Okay,
it.
so if you find any difficulty in this lesson, then you can ask me in WhatsApp or
So in
in
this way
Google
you just
Classroom.
have to
Just do the
complete your
practice of drawing,
आपने
and now
अपनी
you
drawing
have
को
to
complete करना है and
watch
at
the
the
video
end
very
if you find
carefully.
it
आपने
any
इस वीडियो को
difficulty,
बहुत
then you
अच्छी
can
तरह से
ask me
देखना
in
है.
WhatsApp or
और
in
वीडियो देखने के
Google
बाद अब
Classroom.
आपने प्रैक्टिस
So
करनी
we
है.
have
You have to
studied about
use all
different
these
tools
tools
of
of paint
paint
program. मैंने
program.
पेंसिल टूल का
We have
इस्तेमाल कहाँ
studied
किया
use
है
of
और आपने भी
pencil
पेंसिल
tool,
टूल यूज़
eraser
करनी है.
tool,
यू हैव टू यूज़ फिल विद
text
कलर,
tool,
यू हैव टू यूज़
color
टेक्स्ट टूल.
picker, fill with
आपने जब
color,
ड्राइंग कंप्लीट करेंगे
magnifier,
so at the end you
crop
have to
tool,
type your name here,
rotate tool.
right? So like
So
I will type
at
here
that you have to
my
write
name
your
is
name. For example, if I will write here my
Shakila.
name with the
ठीक
help
है.
of text tool. So
In this
you
way
also have
you
to
have
type
to
your name,
type
your
your
class
name
and your
here,
section
like you
after
have to
completing
type
your
your
drawing.
name, your class and your
आपने अपनी
section.
drawing complete करने के
Understand?
बाद
So just
उस
complete your
scenery में,
drawing,
उस
and if
scene
you
में अपना
find any
name लिखना
difficulty in
है.
this lesson, then you can ask me in
So as
WhatsApp
you
or
can
in
see, your
Google
drawing is
Classroom.
complete now. So let's revise these tools one more time. So can anyone tell me what is the use of pencil tool? Hadia, can you tell me what is the use of pencil tool? Yes, right. Pencil tool is basically used if you want to draw freehand drawing. Freehand drawing करने के लिए जो tool हम use करते हैं paint program में, that is your pencil tool. फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग का मतलब है कि लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू ड्रा अ ट्री, आपके पास कुछ शेप्स तो यहाँ पर पेंट में मौजूद हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी शेप्स जो कि आपने खुद से ड्रा करनी है. सो यू हैव टू ड्रा विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल टूल. आपको वो शेप्स पेंसिल टूल की मदद से ड्रा करनी पड़ेंगी. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ फिल विद कलर? Abdullah, can you tell me what is the use of fill with color tool? Right, fill with color tool is basically used if you want to fill color inside your picture. अगर आपने अपनी पिक्चर के अंदर कलर करना है then you have to use fill with color. Okay, so next we have text tool. Fezan, what is the use of text tool? Can you tell me? What is the use of text tool? Yes, very right. Text tool is basically used if you want to type something within your drawing, like if you want to type your name, your class, your section, then you can use your text tool. So text tool की मदद से आप कुछ भी टाइप कर सकते हैं. You want to type your name, आप अपना नेम, अपनी क्लास, सेक्शन या कोई भी आपने छोटी सी सेंटेंसेस टाइप करनी है पेंट में, then you can do it with the help of text tool. So after that we have eraser tool. Now what is the use of eraser tool? Fizza Murtaza, you have to tell me what is the use of eraser tool? Yes, right. Eraser tool is basically used if you want to erase something. अगर आपने कोई भी चीज़ erase करनी है then you can easily do it with the help of eraser tool. After that we have color picker. Now what is the use of color picker tool? What is the use of color picker tool? Can anyone tell me? It's very easy. Yes, right. Color picker tool is basically used if you want to pick a color from your previous shape and you want to fill in your new shape. Like अगर आपने दो shapes ड्रा की हुई हैं और एक में ऑलरेडी, then you can use color picker. So color picker से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एक पिक्चर में ऑलरेडी अगर हमने कलर किया हुआ है, so we can pick that color and we can fill the color in the new picture or your new shape. So new shape में हम easily कलर कर सकते हैं with the help of color picker tool. And after at the end we have magnifier. Now what is the use of magnifier? Hamza, can you tell me what is the use of magnifier tool? Yes, right. So magnifier tool is used if you want to make your image look bigger or smaller. मैग्नीफायर टूल से आप अपनी इमेज का साइज़ बड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं, जूम इन जूम आउट कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक योर इमेज और योर पेज look bigger or smaller. So this is possible with the help of magnifier. So now you just have to draw your scene in Paint program. Then you can share your recording, screen recording in Google Classroom, or you also can share the image of your screen. You can take image of your screen with the help of mobile, and then you can share in Google Classroom. And if you find any difficulty in this lesson, then you can ask me in WhatsApp or in Google Classroom.